Hey everyone, just wanted to pop on here and do the rate update. I'm going to give it a little bit because the last couple of weeks it's been jumping around. Now we had the cable company out here, the internet company out here, supposed to be repairing our connection, so hopefully it's safe. I haven't got any kind of alerts that it's went out, so I think if we get to the 30-second spot, we should be okay. So there we go. Should be okay. Hey, I just want to say hope everybody had an awesome and productive week, and that you accomplish your goals, crush your goals. And if you are going through the home loan process, hang in there. Check out some of my videos. I do educational videos every Thursday. I didn't do one this Thursday. I'm actually trying to finish my basement. I'm going to put my house on the market and be out there looking for something new. So exciting news there. Hey, if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, Planet Cheapskate on YouTube. I'll put a link in the comments below. Join us on our journey. I think we have around 250 some odd subscribers. We're trying to get to the 1,000, the 10,000, to 100,000, help as many people as we can through this process. I do an educational video every Thursday. It kind of has these little loan hacks at the end of them that I do not hear anybody else in this industry on YouTube talking about. These are insider hacks from a licensed loan officer. I'm licensed. I have access to the rates. I can give you the rates. I can give you the APRs, everything like that. I'm also going to try to stop saying so play with me here. If you're a subscriber, type in there how many times I say or I'm trying to cut it out, and every time I say it, I'm going to donate $1 to charity. So I got to stop saying and I know I'm going to be donating a lot on this video because I'm explaining it, but count how many times I say and I'm trying to stop it, and I'm going to put my pocketbook where my mouth is to stop saying and I want to be a better speaker. So there it is. I'm going to donate to a charity. Maybe whenever we get to 500 subscribers, I can do a poll, and we'll figure out what charity I will donate to. So that's that. And I have been trying to reach out to Marriott 111. So Marriott 111, if you are a subscriber and you're listening, reach out to me and claim your 400 Amazon gift cards, $400 Amazon gift cards. Just want to wish my realtor partners out there good luck. If you need any, I'm going to turn this on. This will help a little bit. There we go. Get a hold of me if you need any pre-approvals done. 10 minutes, we can get those done, and we can make these banks compete. Hey, how's it going, Denise? So we can make these banks compete to get your clients the best rate. A lower rate is more purchase power. I got lenders who can close in 22 days or less. So we'll get those quick closes for you so you can close the same month that you go under contract. That's huge. That will help your pipeline out so much. So get a hold of me on that. I am still looking for another realtor partner. I try to keep 3 because I actually generate leads for my realtor partners. So get a hold of me if you're interested in that. I have an opening. I'm currently just working with 2 realtor partners, and I want to work with 3 because that's where I can we can help out each other the best. I'm looking for full-time realtors. I do have part-time realtor partners that I'd work with, but it's a little bit not as extensive as my partners with full-time realtors. So there's that. If you have not refinanced yet, we're getting down to where the rates are coming back down a little bit. So if you have a rate in the 4, 5, 6, there's never been a better time to refinance before these rates shoot for the moon, because that's where they're headed. We got a lot of crazy things going on in the economy. The Fed is trying to stave off inflation. So they do this by increasing the rate at which banks can borrow from each other. You know, when you see it on the news, interest rates are going to be hiked. That is not mortgage rates. There's a lot of people that get it mixed up between mortgage rates and interest rates. The interest rate they talk about on the news is the rate at which banks can borrow money from each other or borrow money from the Fed. Okay, it's a very secure, low rate. And everything else is based off of that rate, everything else in our economy. So it is somewhat correlated with mortgage rates, but mortgage rates are always going to be higher than that interest rate there. But when we have a hike, it's also going to hike the mortgage rates traditionally. So the Fed was predicting like 4, 5, 6 of these rate hikes throughout this year. So we're going to see a rising rate environment for at least probably into 2023. So don't miss out on these low rates. They are in the threes. Don't get a hold of me when they're in the fours, five, sixes, and try to do something, crazy and get a two or get a three, because they're already going to be moved by then. So there's that. Let's get right to these rates. The rates are looking great. I want to do a little bit of explanation. These are not rates that you can walk into your bank, walk into your credit union and get. When you walk into your bank, when you walk into your credit union, they are going to give you whatever rate, whatever fees they feel like they can get away with. Banks set their own margins. When I do my rate update, I send out my feelers to all different banks, about 50 different of the most competitive banks out there, and I say, send me your rates back to see, okay? And this is what they send us back. And when I do it, I just do like a hypothetical model, borrower. I think 750 credit score, $250,000 house, stuff like that. Okay, and I take it through, and we do a 30-year fixed, and we see what they're offering. So instead of going to a bank, going to a credit union, you can tune into my rate update every Friday, subscribe, and get these rate updates so you know that you're keeping your bank honest, that you're getting your best rate. And if you are in Kansas, I can work with you, and then you're going to get the best rate. You're going to get the cheapest fees, because I am truly passionate about getting you the best deal. That's why I'm the Wichita. I'm the Planet Cheapskate. I go through that cost estimate. I go through that CD, and I find where we can save you money line by line. That is my passion. So without further ado, let's get right to these rates. A conventional 30-year fixed is at 3.875. FHA is at 3.125. VA is at 3.125. And USDA is at 3.125. So rates coming back down just a little bit, but it's awesome news that they're staying in the threes. Conventional was dipping up into the fours. It's back down into the threes. Awesome news. So there's the rates, guys. Hope you enjoy. APRs are down in the comment below. Just add a little bit to it, and that'll give you the APR. I didn't do an educational video this Thursday. I was working on my house. I'm going to try to do one next week. I may not have one next week, but I'll definitely have one the week after to give you more of those loan hacks, get that all figured out. Hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.